Hi, welcome back to my channel. Everybody loves salad, I guess. So today I'm gonna show you how to make the delicious and lighter salad with fresh Thai herb. A little bit of spiciness and sourness. Very fun to eat. Let's have a look at the ingredients. Powder, I would recommend to make fresh for a better smell and taste. Same with the chili powder, I like to do by myself for a fresh and good smell. Cut the onion into thin slices. You also can use the shallot if you prefer to. Slice the spring onion into small and thin pieces. I use 2 stalks. Pound the roasted rice very fine. I roasted them in the non-sticky pan without oil until they become brown. Pound the roasted chili finely. I do the same as I do with the rice. I toasted them and wait until they get dark color and not too burn. Remove the water in the can or take the meat out from the can. Spread the meat like this. First step, prepare the mixing bowl, then add the fish sauce. Squeeze lime in the bowl. Pour the chili powder in. You can adjust the spiciness as you want. And follow with the roasted rice powder. Take a spoon to stir well. Add the tuna and mix again. Onion or shallot, some spring onion and coriander, and stir or mix them well together. The last step is to add some mint as a topping for some extra freshness. We like to eat this dish with the sticky rice or normal rice. This dish is also good as an appetizer and refreshing. Always serve with some cucumber, long green bean, and some cabbage. If you like this dish, please give me a thumbs up, and if any questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye!